Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the Corsair K70 PRO RGB optical-mechanical gaming keyboard, specifically the renewed white version with OPX linear switches. This keyboard aims to deliver top-tier performance and features, building upon the legacy of the K70 series. First impressions are strong. The K70 PRO boasts a robust aluminum frame that feels incredibly durable. It's clear this keyboard is built to last. The white finish gives it a clean, modern aesthetic that stands out. The inclusion of a magnetic soft-touch palm rest is a welcome addition, providing excellent comfort during long gaming sessions or workdays. The star of the show is undoubtedly the Corsair OPX optical-mechanical key switches. These switches offer a hyper-fast input with a 1mm actuation distance. The linear travel is incredibly smooth, making for a very responsive and satisfying typing experience. Corsair guarantees these switches for 150 million keystrokes, so durability shouldn't be a concern. The K70 PRO also features Corsair's Axon hyperprocessing technology. This allows the keyboard to register key presses up to 8x faster than standard mechanical gaming keyboards. In practice, this translates to incredibly low latency and a noticeable improvement in responsiveness, especially in fast-paced games. The keycaps are made of PBT double-shot material, which is a significant upgrade over standard ABS keycaps. PBT is more resistant to wear and shine, ensuring that the keycaps will maintain their texture and appearance for years to come. The double-shot construction means the legends are molded into the keycaps, so they won't fade or wear off over time. Of course, it wouldn't be a K70 without per-key RGB backlighting. The lighting is vibrant and customizable through Corsair's ICUE software. You can create a wide range of lighting effects and profiles to match your setup and preferences. The K70 PRO also includes a tournament switch, which locks the keyboard to static backlighting and disables macros to comply with tournament regulations. This is a great feature for competitive gamers who need to ensure their keyboard is legal for tournament play. Connectivity is handled via USB-A and USB-C, offering flexibility for different setups. The keyboard also features a volume roller and dedicated media keys, which are always a welcome addition for quick and easy control over audio playback. As a renewed product, it's important to note that this keyboard may have some minor cosmetic imperfections. However, Corsair typically ensures that renewed products are in excellent working condition. Getting it renewed can be a great way to save some money on a high-end keyboard. Overall, the Corsair K70 PRO RGB optical-mechanical gaming keyboard is a top-performing keyboard that offers a premium typing and gaming experience. The OPX switches are incredibly fast and responsive. The PBT keycaps are durable and feel great, and the Axon technology ensures low latency. If you're looking for a high-end gaming keyboard that delivers on both performance and features, the K70 PRO is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.